Alrighty, welcome back to Patriot Motors. We're working on a 2012 F250. It's just birdie one. Real nice, 150,000 miles, runs great. Had worn out, shot, completely toast, right front axle U-joint. So we've got the thing just about ready to go back together now. We're looking in here, we can see the knuckle with the axle removed. Looking beyond that, you can see a brand new seal. That's the inner dust seal there. So the other one was also completely shot. There's the old one right there. Kind of hard to tell, but I think you get the gist of it. So if you had just watched a guy by the name of USAF 99 doing the same thing, this is exactly what I'm doing. Thanks to him, I know what to do now because he did it first, or at least before I did, and I watched his video and it was super helpful, so this was great. I didn't know that you could pull the axles without having to take the front cover off the differential, and I didn't want to get into that, but when I saw him doing his, it made it look that much easier. So we'll go ahead and get the rest of this area cleaned up inside the knuckle. We got to make sure that a little bit of corrosion that was in there, we can take that out, make that clean so it doesn't wreck the seal going in. And kind of looking at this crazy upper ball joint bushing, and I'm thinking that while I've got it all apart right here, I want to get to that bushing and check it out because it's pretty darn rusty. We'll have more later. Thanks for joining us.